All right. Okay, friend. Right, friends. So welcome everyone. So before I start my session, I have this disclaimer to share with all of you that you must know that, friend, I'm not a licensed financial advisor, and also I give up any financial advice to anyone. So I also do not take any financial investment from anyone. So as you know, I operate as an independent business owner. Okay, so I'm not a company man. I'm not a Rika Board management staff. I'm also a client of Rika Board. All right. So I suggest you to do due diligence and read the term and condition of the company if you want to be part of a Recovered platform. But of course, whatever sharing I'm going to show you, definitely you're going to make money. But the success is again determined on the individual basis, and it's dependent on a variety of factors, including your willingness to take action, okay, and implement the idea based on what we thought. Right? So prevailing market condition, target market selection, and also amount of hard work and effort and individual expand. I mean, so all depend on you, right? So we say that then before I continue my session, I like to talk a little bit on the life, why education is very important. So if you see here, there are 4 categories of people right now in this global world. There are people with too much money but blocks your vision, meaning people have too much money also, even you make so much money in crypto trading, but without knowledge, that means your vision is sometimes the mind is blocked, right? But then education alone, there are people highly educated, alone also give you a limited view because the people block their mind, but they don't listen, they don't be open mind. But if you see the third category of people who are education and money put you on a balanced life. So that's why you need education, meaning to say in Rika Board, right? We give you the opportunity to make money, but same time, don't blindly follow whoever share the opportunity. It's become like a blind leading the blind. So that's why the education is very important. So what I'm doing right now here today, I'm giving an education, same time to balance your life so that you can have a better view. And of course, the fourth category, people who are life without education and money leave you in dark. That's why a lot of people are struggling and they don't know where they are heading. They are living like a day-to-day life. So it's very important. We all of us go into the category 3 where we need to have balance of, we need education and money. Now, let's move in. Now, before I share how to trade on some tips on trading, okay, here I'm going to share with you the 5 challenges that you must overcome to survive in crypto world, okay, especially in trading world, whether it's in forex trading or cryptocurrency trading. So this is the 5 challenges you need to go through. But of course, if it's not rocket science, anybody can easily go through, but with the guidance. So I've been the forex for since 2013. I have seen many people make money. You know, many people lost their money, but you need to have this overcome all these challenges in order for you to become a successful trader in a financial market, whether it's in forex or crypto trading. But now let's be focused on a crypto world. Now, first of all, you need to be efficient. That means every decision that you made, you must make quickly. You cannot depend on a third party. You cannot depend on your friends to make a decision. So once you read the chart, if you're confident, you know, then you need to make the fast decision. Sometimes people give signal, you're depending on people's signal, then he may delay by 1 hour. Then it's no point, it's not valid. So whenever you enter the market, right, in order to go into trading, you need to be efficient so that every decision that you make, you must make very quickly. Right. So because market is very volatile and we are talking about crypto today is already about $200 billion market. In a day, you can see a transaction almost about $200 billion. Now, second, we are talking about the term. Say, 95% of these people fail in the trading market because of the emotion trader. People become so emotion as though like tomorrow there's no new candle, as though like there's no market. Friend, you need to understand that in trading, crypto trading, the market is 24/7. All right, 365 days. So today you miss the candle, never mind, you wait for the next day. You don't need to be so emotion. So all the time, okay, when suddenly when the price is going down, then you feel you'll be affected by emotion. So you will be stressed just because you're losing about $5, $10, you get caught up with the emotion. So you need to be always need to be calm, take relax whenever you see your trading go into negative, but it's okay because market, if they're like especially in crypto trading in Ricaboard, if your account go into negative, that is a good sign. I will explain to you why the advantage of the layer system in Ricaboard. Now, that I'm talking about time consuming. See, it's take a lot of time to study and understand the market. So right now, you need to spend a lot of time, need to focus on particular coin. Example, now in cryptocurrency, you spend time, you master at least 5 or 10 coin, then you just understand the movement of that particular coin. Then with that, then you can understand and then you can trade easily. So number 4, we are talking about accuracy. So it takes a lot of effort to do the complex analysis and calculation. That is also another very important when you become go into the crypto trading. So the accuracy is very important as well. Now, number 5, you're talking about the learning, right? There's no shortcut, right? So you must always improve yourself, right? So today we are living in information world, all right? The Google is there, YouTube is there. If you can master at least 5 to 10 coin of cryptocurrency, then you just go and browse in YouTube, you will understand, you can see there's so many gurus out there in the market who are always sharing about their ideas and thought about different coins. So with that, you can learn, you can master. If you master at least 5 to 10 coin, then you just focus that coin, definitely you can make good money. Like what I say earlier, we are now in an uptrend market. Now, basically, how to overcome the above challenges easily and survive in crypto world. Of course, the money management is very important, especially when you come into trading, my dear friend. The money management is very important. Whether you are in a forex trading or in a cryptocurrency trading, right? They always say small piece of small cake is a small piece of big cake is a big, right? So you always need a big capital in order for you to earn big money, right? A lot of people, what they do with a small capital, they want to earn big money, right? Where then what will happen? Their emotion, their greed, everything will go into the market, end up they become the loser and they will blame the industry. So that's why it's very important for you to understand about the money management when you come to trading. Now, to overcome all of that, all right. So of course, in Ricaboard, they have the Ricaboard Easy Binding Lifetime Profit. Of course, if you can go through all these challenges, if you feel that it's very challenges, then you leave it to Ricaboard, the expert advisor, the advanced trading mode in Ricaboard to trade. But of course, even the expert advisor, the people behind Ricaboard, as a trader, they also follow a strict money management. Right? They just take 10% of your tradable fund and they only enter one entry at a time. But eventually, your fund will definitely be going to make money. But there are a group of people, they feel that they want to really learn and they want to become an expert trader, which willing to take some extra risk in the market. Then fine, that's how I'm going to teach you on the ATM mode today. So of course, you can divide your tradable fund. If let's say you put $10,000 as your tradable fund in your Binance account, 50% you can leave it to an expert advisor at one trading mode in Ricaboard. Another 50% you can start to trade on ATM mode. Now, before we go into trading, as you know, in cryptocurrency, right? We are only talking about the bullish candlestick pattern. Why? All of us know in cryptocurrency, especially in Ricaboard, we need to focus on bullish candle, right? Why? Because we buy low, then we sell high. We buy low, sell high. That's it, simple as that, all right? So for that, you don't need to focus on bearish market, okay? You don't need to understand of a pattern of this bearish market, the red candle, no need. All of us need to learn on the green candle good enough. So I'm going to share with you the potential candle pattern that can give you a bullish candle pattern that when you see that kind of candle, you can confidently, you can enter or buy that particular token. We have a candlestick pattern called Morningstar. Then we got a pattern called bullish engulfing, number 2. Then we got Doji. Then number 4, we got hammer. Number 5, we have a bullish harmony. Number 6, we have a piercing pattern. Number 7, we have inside bar. And number 8, we have long wick. So why I'm just choose this? Because I don't want to give so complicated, right? So because all these you can't learn within one day, because people who go into like me, I ever lost $20,000 when I learned forex trading. So when I start to learn all these candlesticks. So I just want to make it simple to people to understand. For those people, like even you're freshie to trading, right? You just monitor the candlestick pattern, then you can enter the market. I'm going to show you, okay, live how you need to see the candles thing on individual coin. Then you can enter the market yourself. Right now, first we're talking about the bearish and bullish candle. Now let's look, forget about the bearish candle. Now, how the bullish candle? How you want to know the bullish candle? Right. So normally the bullish candle, you can see the price. Okay. Here you can see normally the bullish candle, the open price will be at the bottom, where the bearish candle, the closing price will be at bottom. So always remember, when the price open means after they finish 1 hour, if you select 1 hour chart, after they finish 1 hour candle, when they open, going into the next candle, then they open, when you see the candle is open at the bottom, and when they close, you need to monitor these two. They open the market, the candle open with a low, then close high, that's considered is a bullish candle. But for the bearish candle, they open at a high, then they close at the price close at the low, then this is called bearish candle. Simple as that. This is how you need to learn what is candlestick, right? Now, here is some of the top candle pattern. By just understanding the pattern of this candle, my dear friend, you can easily go and buy your coin with our ATM method in Recarbot. All right. So now, first we are talking about engulfing pattern, right? So this is how the pattern of engulfing I'm going to show you, and we will study. Then we have another bullish pattern called hammer, right? If you just master all these 5 or 6 pattern, friend, it's already good enough, because in Recarbot we have up to 50 token pair, and you can choose each of the token, and if you come across any of these pattern, you can enter the market. Now here we got the third pattern with talk about piercing, and number 5, number 4, they're talking about harmony, right? Then I will explain more detail on other candle. Now this is the first one called Morningstar. See, the Morningstar is candle where you can see there are, okay, is from the bottom they push up, and when you see this pattern in the graph, this is called the Morningstar pattern, where, for example, here, okay, here you can see, right? You can see the black is a bearish. When you see if you take 1 hour candle, and you see the black color is actually a bearish candle, then if you look into 1 hour candle or 4 hours candle or day candle, normally we want to trade for 1 hour candle, right? So let's say you want to take on a hourly basis. So you click 1 hour, then what you do, you wait for this pattern. Let's say now it's about 11 p.m. So you come out with this candle, then the next candle, when they close, they open up with this candle, then you know the market going to be uptrend, market going to be bullish, then you can confidently go and click buy for that particular pair. Now, example here, the bullish Morningstar, how it's look like. Okay, whether is green or red here. Okay, so when you come across this kind of pattern in the chart, right? So after this candlestick close, then when the next hour new candle open, then you can straight away can put buy for that particular token. So this is one of the bullish Morningstar candle. So you can print out, you can paste it at wherever your laptop is stays, whether it's in your room or in your study room, so that you can just monitor. If you come across such a pattern, Morningstar pattern for that particular coin, you can easily place the order. Now, second, we are talking about bullish engulfing. Now, what they mean by bullish engulfing? So you can see the red, then you need to have the green color candle, the bullish candle be longer. Example like here, okay, the red, and this is how the pattern of the bullish engulfing. Now, example, here the bullish engulfing pattern where you can see the open here close. This is a low, this is a high. Then you see after that, after 1 hour, the next candle, if you come across any candle is longer than the earlier candle, where they close above the opening of the bearish red candle. Okay, then if you come across these, then you can confidently buy that particular coin. Now, this is how the bullish engulfing pattern look like. Okay, you can see. Okay, we're talking about number 4 candle. Right, you can see this candle. This is actually, if you come across any candle, such candle happen that when they open a new position, right? So whether you want to wait or you can immediately buy, then you can see what happened to the market. Market went up. So this is where another potential bullish engulfing pattern where confidently you can enter the market. So this is one of the pattern. And another one we're talking about doji. Okay, this is another famous pattern, candlestick pattern for bullish, that is doji. Now, here I can show you the doji start appearing at the bottom of a downtrend, signaling possible reversal. Meaning to say, when you come across, when the market going down, then when you come across this pattern of doji star, this is what they call the doji star, then you can confidently enter the market. Buy. You can click the buy, you can enter the market for that particular token. So after that, it's going to be uptrend. So this is another important pattern that you need to memorize if you really want to go trade. Choose which as a coin you want to trade based on the pattern. We are not need to do any calculation. Just master the pattern is already good enough. I just want to make it simple. Right? Anybody can be a trader with recover. Right? It's not a rocket science. Now, here we are talking about the hammer, right? So this is the hammer pattern, right? It's look like a hammer. Now, when you come across a hammer pattern, then it's going to be bullish. So this is very easily, you can see in all this chart. If you come across this kind of pattern, then you know it definitely is going to be bullish. Then you can confidently enter the market, right? Here I show you the bullish hammer, right? So whether it's green or red, when you come across this kind of hammer pattern, if you come across this kind of hammer pattern, then you see after the market went bullish. So this is another pattern, bullish pattern that you can memorize, you can see in any of the token. Now, this is another, call it a bullish harmony pattern, right? So where if you come across this red candle, then another red candle, then you can see the half of this, then half of this, then this is what they call it bullish harmony. So all these you can monitor. For example, here I'll show you. Okay, bearish candle, then he closed lower than a prior open, then bullish candle. This is bullish candle, then open higher than a prior close. So when come across this is what they call the harmony pattern, then you'll go into bull run. Now, next we are talking about piercing pattern. Okay, piercing pattern is another very easy and simple pattern that you can check on the chart of trading. That this is another important pattern where you can show you on a bullish market, right? So this is where you can see when the red candle is here, then it's come half of this. We have the green candle, then we know that's going to be bullish market. The next it's going to be bullish market. So when the new candle open, you can place the order, all right? Something like that. Now, here I'm going to show you, right? You can see here the downtrend, bearish candle, then the gap. You can see the gap here, right? Then the bullish candle. So close above 50% of previous day bearish candle, then it's going to be uptrend. So this is one of the another pattern that you can learn and master the bullish pattern, right? So another important one, interesting pattern is the inside bar. All right, this is very easy. Anybody can see as long the next new candle open up and close within inside bar within the red candle. Okay, for example, right? So this is the mother bar main candle. That inside, if the next candle is close within the mother bar completely inside the shadow of the mother, that means after this it's going to be bullish. So this is another pattern that anybody can easily watch from this the chart, right? So now this is another easy pattern. We call it long wicks. Now long wicks is another interesting candle that you can make a bullish market. So you come across this long wick candle, right? So this is where then definitely you can enter the market. You have a lot of buying opportunity when you come across this long wick candle, right, friends? So this is the important pattern you need to memorize, all right? So you need to understand and to choose which coin to buy by reading the chart. Now, here I'm going to show you. See, Emma inverter. Emma or inverter, you can see this is the Emma pattern, right? So after that, went to uptrend. Now this is the pissing line. So you can see half of the body, right? And went up. Then this is hammer, right? After the, you can see the hammer pattern. Then he went to bullish uptrend. So it's so simple. Now let's go into our Rika board. Okay, so before I go further, all right, so let's go into our website and Rika board. I'm going to show you how we can read the pattern. You have option. You can go to Binance, right, or you can go to CoinGecko. You can select, for example, you want to select Rika board. Okay, let's say okay, so friend, it's so easy, so simple. You have so many, all these coins chosen by Rika board expert. They have choose all the. We have almost about 10,000 over token, right? Correct. We have more than almost about 10,537 coin and token in the market. But Rika board choose the top. They know, okay, where all these are coin that give you potential profit, right? So, for example, you want to click ADA up, you want to choose this token, ADA up, okay? Then you can go and study the token chart here. So just now, I place a buy here, I made profit. Then again, I place a buy here, I place a buy here, I made 2 TP with the ADA up. Okay, I can show you the 2 TP that I earned from the ADA up. Okay, where is the earning? Right, just 4 hours ago, when I come across, you can see at 19:10, I made about $7.30. Then I enter again when I saw this potential of this. Okay, so when I see here, then I place another buy. Why? Because I see, okay, it's going to up. You see the candlestick here, right? So this is where I feel like I see that this is a hammer candle. Then I place buy. Then I make another profit of $7. Then I made another $17. Why $17? Because he closed at layer 3. He went up to 3 layer down. Okay, you can see, because when I buy here, okay, next hour it went down. Then at just before our session, it closed at 22:11, right? Before I start my session at 22:30, right? It made profit for me $17, right? So why is possible if you have a zero risk in ATM trading or crypto trading, especially when you talk about Ricabot. Okay, now let me show you. Okay, friends. So if you are new to Ricabot, okay, I show you the system that Ricabot created, the AI that Ricabot created. You can see the first entry is 10%. They have a floating entry of 10 times, then the risk management of 25%. Now, if you look into this crypto, okay, I'm going to show you. Okay, can you see? This is where in CoinGecko, all cryptocurrency. So, friend, do you see any last 7 days? Okay, any of the coin went down more than 25%? You can see this last 7 days or last 7 days. Do you see any of the coin? Even you buy Shibu, it went to 21%. Even that means you can go up to layer 7. All right. But then when it bounce back, you definitely going to make money. That means you can see the last 7 days, none of the coin go below 25%. Meaning if you buy any of this coin in our Ricabot ATM, you're definitely going to make money. That means your account not going to be float more than a week. See, this is last 7 days, right? So the 7 days account, you can see all the cryptocurrency, none of the cryptocurrency went down more than 25%. That means, do you think that your fund will float? No. Even you see the last 24 hours, what is the profit? Even you buy Bitcoin, you leave it, you buy the pair of Bitcoin and you leave it in 7 days, you make 11%. That means in 4 weeks, you're going to make 44%. So can you make this in any other trading outside, any other trading, whether you're talking about stock market, whether you're talking about, I don't talk about stock market, let's talk about Forex. Because since I'm from Forex background, so with the zero risk, because the worst scenario, what will happen, your coin will be float. But here you can see, last 24 hours or so, none of the coin went below 25%. Because as you know, our Ricabot, you will go into layer. Okay, example, you see, my Shiba, okay, I place a order. He went to layer 2. That means my order is $300. Then he went to layer 2, only 20%. So my tradable fund is 3,000. So the position size is 600. That means, let's look into Shiba. Now, Shiba, right? He never, last 1 week, he never went down more than 25%. So definitely, I know by another 1 or 2 days or the maximum about 3-4 days, I will gain the profit. But most of the time, Shiba, by the next day, I can make profit. So this is the good thing about Ricabot, right? Why? Because everything is preset here, right? The layer is preset. What you need to do, you just need to choose the token. That's all. You just need to choose how you want to choose the token by looking in the chart. Okay, now let's say I want to see AAVB. Okay, I just go to, I can select here. I just select AAVE token. Okay. AAVE USDT token. Okay, so now let me see. Okay, you study. Do you come across any of the pattern here? If you come across any of the patterns, then you can enter the market, right? If you don't see any of the bullish pattern in this token, then choose another token. Okay, what is the next token you want to go? Right, let's say you want to look into AKRO, AKRO token. Okay, you go to Binance. You click AKRO, AKRO USDT. Now, look, see here whether there's any such pattern or not. See, this pattern, after this pattern went up. So you click any buy here, definitely you're going to make money, right? So now it went down. So you monitor the next candle, how the next candle going to be. If the next candle is open to be a bullish candle, after the bullish candle, then you can click buy because definitely it's going to go up again, right? So you can choose, so simple. So you need to just select by looking at the chart. So we have all the coin here, right? By looking at the chart. Now, I give you another tips, right? Now, sometimes you feel tired, want to look which coin. Now, let's go into another tips I give you. This I like to thank one of our Ricarian, Mr. Murali from India. He's really guru in this industry. He shared with me this website called quantifycrypto.com. Okay, you can write down this website called quantifycrypto.com. Now, when you check under the quantifycrypto.com, you can see all the trend. Okay, how the trend of that coin. So if you come across if your Ethereum is going to be bullish, then you can go and just buy Ethereum. Okay, so you just go to Recarbot, click Ethereum versus USDT, ETH. Okay, ETH. Okay, then you just buy because it's next spot is bullish. Hourly also bullish, intraday bullish, critical bullish, daily bullish, weekly bullish. So you don't need to worry. Why? Because see Ethereum, last 18 hours, last 24 hours, 1.8%. Last 7 days, 11.2%. Last 30 days, 34%. That means for 1 month, since last 1 month, since 9th October, you focus on Ethereum, you just trade, you already made about 34%. Put till with zero risk, right? So now we are talking about Binance coin. Now let's look into Binance coin. Now Binance coin, spot is bearish. Hourly is neutral. But intra, critical, daily is bullish. So you also can trade Binance coin. No harm. Why? Because bearish means it just go down the layer, but you may get 2 or 3 or 4 layer, you make more profit. So don't worry. But as long as you have enough, if you put the tradable from 1,000, make sure you have 1,000 in your as a tradable fund, or you at least you need to have 500, because at least you have enough fund when you go into layer 5. Because most of the time during this, if you all this is bullish, maximum they will go about layer 6, layer 4 or 5, right? So at least if you have if you put a tradable fund is $1,000, but make sure you have enough fund in your Binance account. So this is another way for you to select which coin you want to. If you have no confidence, don't know which one, you are lost, then you refer to quantifycrypto.com. Then you select the token that you want to trade, right? Then you look into Quantify. First of all, you look into Quantify Crypto. You choose which one you want to trade. Then after that, you go to Binance. You go and look for the graph. You understand the pattern, right? So you learn about a pattern. If you don't know where to go here, then here you can see binance.com/trade. Okay, here you will bring you to the chart here. But if you still find difficult, then you can go to CoinGecko. Also, you can still look into the chart, right? So here you can see. So this is the potential, my dear friend. So this is so simple. So what you need to do, you need to check the crypto, quantifycrypto.com, then go and look for the chart, confirm, buy, then you can go and select your coin, set your tradable fund. And I always advise you to put only round 1, because most of the time when you put round 2, what will happen is that you will buy at high level. The moment you close with a profit of a 2.5 to 3%, then you will enter another position at high. So normally what you do, you just make it 1, then you already made profit, then you enter another position by study the chart. So that's where my advice, always go into round 1. Unless you have a big fund, you're busy, then if you're so confident that next 1 week the trend of that particular coin is bullish, then you can set whether 2 round, 3 round, or 4 round is up to you, right? So this is where is advantage. Now I'm going to show you. I do one test because just for today's class, okay. What I'm doing. I want to show you that our fund is not MC, right? I'm going to show you. See, this is BTC down, right? So I know on the yesterday, right, I just go click the BTC buy with $1,000 tradable fund. See, you already take the 10 position. That means my $1,000 out of my total tradable fund, $1,000 now float with my BTC down. It's okay, because why? I just leave it there because I want to show, especially the newcomer or the freshie, that your fund not going to be NC. That means now I have a BTC down coin token worth value of $1,000, right? So the next TP will be 0.0073, right? So when I see here, so BTC down, right? So I click here, right? So now let's see 0.0073. 0.0073. So I just need to wait until he reach this level. Okay, BTC, maybe BTC price reach about 62,000, then I can definitely going to make profit. Let's say I made 3%, friend. Let's say my total tradable fund is 1,000. Even he close with 3% profit, so I make about $30. So even it take 1 week for me to make 3% of my $1,000, $30 is big money. Right, in a week, 3% is also still good money, good return, where without my fund is go into MC, right? So this is where the ATM mode or the overall Recabo trading platform is big, so convenient for people to make money, all right? And this is just a beginning, my dear friend. So once they launch the 3.0, Recabo 3.0 is going to be more powerful, I tell you, right? So this is just a simple method. I just teach all of you that you for you to go into the ATM mode, you just need to trade on the look into this right now, quantifycrypto.com, then go and look into the chart, right? You study the chart, then you you buy the coin. Simple. That this is the 3-step you need to learn and apply into buy any coin you want to coin, right? Right, so friends, so that's for the trading class. Now let me share with you on the second part, that is the building the network. Okay, so building the network, the success here in Recabot. Okay, the success here in Recabot by building the network. Okay, why I'm going to show you is very important. For those people don't have big capital, okay, where you want to get your capital by building the network. So the success secret in Recabot, that means by 2025, you're definitely going to become a millionaire. But if you follow this secret, okay, here I'm going to share with you the table 7. First, know your target. Okay. Number 2, mastering the business model. Number 3, always educate yourself. Number 4, stay consistent. Number 5, utilize social media. Number 6, provide value to your prospect. And number 7, visualize your success. So this is the 7 content that you need to understand and master in order to become millionaire in Recabot 2025. Now, first we are talking about the know your target. So first of all, you must understand your prospect who will suit for your business opportunity. So you must be in touch with their needs, the innermost desire for change. You also must know what drives them to want to have the better life. So you see, some people, they're very close-minded, right? You don't go and argue, don't go and, if somebody say this, still there are a group of people are thinking cryptocurrency is a scam. Right, the moment they open up their mouth and say scam, don't waste your energy, don't go into argument, all right? Because the prospect always right. If first of all, you must always tell them, right? Open, if they come and sit in front of you with open mind, then they are your target market, right? First of all, they must be a good listener, good student, all right? If they don't know anything about crypto, but let's say they know about crypto, all right? So you just share about Recabot, the trading method of Recabo, where they can develop their crypto asset by using the Recabo platform. All right. So you must understand you must know the target. Now, number 2, we are talking about stay consistent. Say consistency in marketing is a must. Create a working plan. Write down as to-do list and remain consistent. So you must be consistent in your action. Without action on consistent basis, your business will fail. I've seen many people when they keep on sharing, they don't see the result. Even the trading, their fund is in floating, they give up. Friend, you've been working for the last 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, 30 years for something that you don't own, for somebody else. Why can't you work here? Focus here, work for next. And you need to give you at least 6 months. All right, always remember, all right, apply the principle of SW. Some will, some won't, so what? Someone else is waiting, because the whole world is our playground. So always remember the principle of SW. If you have the principle, remember the principle SW, definitely you won't give up. Your business will never fail. Then you need to put a consistent action. Give yourself your commitment toward what you want to achieve. For example, Recabo, you want to achieve R6, then you need to work until you achieve the target. Simple as that. Right? You're not going to work for next 5 years or 10 years, like how we work for somebody else, which make the bosses rich. Sorry if any boss here. But here, you work on Recabo for next 6 to 12 months. Definitely it will give you some result. Because money-making machine, who do want to earn money? Right? So but you need to be consistent with whatever we are saying, whatever we are talking. All right. Now, number 3, we are talking about provide value to prospect. Now, listen carefully. We as a network marketing are in the people business. So people don't join a business, they join you. So means people know how much value you have, how much knowledge you have. Right? So today I received a call, right? Today one prospect called me, messaged me in Facebook. Then first question, if anybody message me, I will ask, who refer you? They say, no, I saw your post. I'm in, I don't want to mention the robot. She's from the other neighbor robot. When she saw my post in social media, she immediately called me. I say, why you choose me? Because you see, you're so active, post all these activity regarding Recabo. So I want to join you. See, when you provide the value for your prospect will look for you. So people will join you, even though there are so many people, but people want to join people to the leader or people who are really committed. So I'm sure there is someone in your life that like, trust, and look up to you. So that what you need to apply in your life, in your business, when you build a Recabo community, right? Now, then again, number 4, we are talking about utilize social media. Okay, friends. So the basic of any good marketing strategy will be include a social media in your daily business activity. There are many locations to begin the building of your business relationship. One good place to start will be focus on Facebook group within your niche. As simple as that. See, every day we have people are making money in profit in Recabo. They keep sharing, keep posts all their trading profit in their Facebook. You just need to leverage other people's result. Copy, paste, and you just share. But before that, you ask permission. For example, I always ask our Captain Staff, I say, Captain, thank you. Whenever you post, I just copy, paste in my social media. I keep sharing and sharing. Every day there's activity on Recabo, people see, and people start to call you. It's not like other network business where you need to look for the prospect. You need to try to convince them, no, we are in a very powerful business here in Recabo. Because money making machine, everybody out there are struggling to make money every day. So when they say something or easily the robot making 5 figure, 6 figure, people will look for you. People will start calling you, right? When they call you, link them with all our Zoom activity. To support, we have for company Zoom, I'm doing the Zoom, all the leaders are doing the Zoom activity, just connect them, attend the training, So simple is that. Now, visualize your success. Friend, this is the ultimate key factor. See, all the success people out there, all right, all the champions use visualization technician to crash their competitive goal. This method requires mental image of themselves making clutch plays, deploying their best strategy before they perform. So by visualizing, help condition the brain for positive outcome and reduce anxiety and its work outside of the sport too, right? So you can see all the success people. We are talking about many years. I've been doing conduct training, many hundreds of training, and attended so many other training, right? Everybody talking about dream, goal, visualize, success. So you need to apply, but it's not like those days, friend. Today, the world becomes so easy, so simple to make, to become successful, right? It's a journey. Just need to visualize and work toward that. And you need to really thank to the person who invite you or introduce Ricabot to you. So I like to take the opportunity. Thanks to my introducer, Mr. Alvin, because I see it's so simple. All the while whatever business I do in building network, I see Ricabot is one of the easiest and simplest business. I just need to put 10% of my effort of my other previous network. Why? Because this is so easy, so simple, because first thing I see is a zero risk. I can confidently go out there and talk to people, tell them, hey, you have money, just put in Binance, bind with Ricabot, just leave it. You're definitely going to make at least 20% per annum. I would say like that, just 20% per annum. Which bank giving a 20% per annum? Even mutual fund give you maximum also 12%. But here you still have 20%. So that is my keyword. Let them think, then let them come back. Then after that, you just share WhatsApp, the video information, let them understand, then bringing them into either as an investor or network builder. Simple as that. Right. So for that, all that you need to visualize your success. Right. So secret of success: attend community meeting regularly, grow your community faster, and free technology by easy pending lifetime profit. Right. So basically what I'm going to share, I'm going to tell you, friends, here, right? We are in a people business, right? So for that, you will come across all kind of people, right? So for you to keep up your momentum, you need to attend all our Zoom meeting, our training. So today, I really thank for those people attended training. At least, even you can remember one chart today, one candle, one pattern, bullish pattern is good enough, because I'm going to have this class every Tuesday until my goal to achieve 100 millionaire by 2025. So I'm going to do even today's session I have recorded, then I will upload in my YouTube. Then you can watch and watch and watch until you master all these bullish candle pattern. Right? So that's on the 7 secret. Now let's move into final update on the announcement on the advanced trading, which the company going to launch, I think another 1 week time, right? Which is going to be very powerful. Okay. Layer and entry, 3 types of strategy they're going to introduce, right? This is just the update and pre-prepared for this. You can go and tell all your investor client, this is what going to launch by Ricabot in next 1 week, where for those people feel like they feel that 5% per month still small, after minus everything, they feel 3% still small, then Ricabot coming up this announcement on advanced trading mode, which they're going to have this conservative, where they're going to have 20 layers, 2.5% with the current default. Okay, current default is all, this is what they apply, but they have moderate, which they're going to have a 5 layer with 5%. Sorry, 15 layer with 5%. And they're also going to have aggressive with 10 layer with 10%. All right. So meaning to say aggressive 10 layer 10% means, okay, number of this is right now you can choose 10 layer 10% in your ATM, but this I'm talking about for the advanced trading mode. right, for the investor. So if you feel that your investor is not happy or feel like you are left behind, then once this launch, then all these challenges will be right off, right? So you can choose aggressive 10 layer, 10%, and you can choose one coin will be by default. Then you can decide to choose whether 2, 3, 4, 5 coin, right? So that means the advanced trading mode will choose take 10%. If you select 5, they will take 10% from each of the coin. That means one time they enter 5 coin together. Right now they only take enter one coin until they make profit. Then only they enter the second position. But with this announcement of advanced trading mode, they're going to have this up to, you can set up to 5 coins. So all these are going to set one time, right? For those people are still confused about ATM. So this I'm talking about for the investor. Now, once Ricabot 3.0 apps launch, friend, this is going to be the 4 main features. Okay, after I explain the 4 main features, I will let you know where will be our level, our standard as one of the board, the most powerful board in the world, crypto trading board in the world, right? So of course, here right now we have our spot trading as normal. Then we also have our trading, advanced trading mode. Then you're going to introduce the pro trading mode. Then number 2 is going to be future trading. See, future trading is of course the high risk trade, right? Because it's have the margin, right? So this you can trade, okay, if a bigger fund where you can have MIB and IB and MIB copy trade. So IB and MIB copy trade, if you are a very good trader or you come across a good trader, right? You feel that the guy really make 30%, 40% per month consistent, and you can copy trade with him. And I give you another tip, okay? If you want to know whether the guy is a good trader or it's very simple. Whether it's in a forex or crypto, ask him his 1-year tradable account. So if you can see, if you can show consistent profit, especially in forex, people don't show. I never seen any traders show their 1-year consistent trading record. They only show the profit 3 months, 4 months after margin call. They open new account. That's why you always remember, ask them to give them a 1-year trading account. So here in crypto also, if they are good trader, you see their 1-year trading account. So it's consistent with average about 15 to 20%. That means they are good trader. We can copy trade. The Ricabot 3.0 apps launch, right? So then they have the stacking with a Rika coin. One they launch the Ricabot own coin. Then we will have Rika stacking program where you can pay the subscription fees and also gas fees with the Rika coin. So all these are is in a pipeline, but immediately the Ricabot 3.0 on January, they're going to launch the first 3, right? The spot and future trading and also MIB, IB and MIB copy trade system. And once they launch that, friend, here we have almost about 51 members. Definitely, whether you are in or out of Ricabot, definitely if you be part of the journey of Ricabot, you're going to be millionaire, confirm millionaire, right? Because later I will invite my good friend Mr. Alvin to share more on these, the message that he received from our marketing director about this Ricabot F3.0, right? So there are many more of the blockchain products and NFT minings there, right? So more than 3 exchanges in the apps, all asset figure will be displayed. How to benefit, build a strong database with the current product, okay? Continue to build your database, right? Once you already have the database, when they plug in with one of the very super powerful system, definitely your income going to be 4 or 5 times or even 10 times of what you're earning currently. Is that be sure? I can see the potential about Ricabot 3.0 trading platform, right? Right. So they have the advanced trading enhanced feature, can select layer. You can select your own layer coin for bigger capital. That means here right now, company already set the layer. Later on, for good trader, they can select that layer ATM mode, right, friends? So with that, thank you so much. So anybody have any questions, you can raise your hand, you can unmute. You have any question, you can just need to raise your hand. I will unmute you and you can ask any question you have.